If your organization spans a diverse population, you can make learning pathways available in multiple languages. Learning Pathways supports 9 languages, including English, German, French, Russian, Chinese Simplified, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, and Italian. Now you can provision a new, fully translated Learning Pathways solution, including the Learning Pathways SharePoint site, the Learning Pathways web part, and the on-demand content streamed from Microsoft. Or you can update an existing Learning Pathways solution within your organization and manually translate site pages. You choose the languages you want to support, so users can view Learning Pathways in their preferred language. You get all the great customization capabilities you've come to expect with Learning Pathways. Along with the ability to translate those customizations into additional languages, add or modify translated playlists, and translate custom playlists and assets. Extend the reach of Learning Pathways in your organization with multi-language support. For more information, go to adoption.microsoft.com.